Hello, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over at FXAUUSD.com, and that's it. The end of May 2020, and what has been the end of another fantastic trading week. And in this video, we're going to go over this week's results and the pip count for May, where we made around 1,000 pips this month. Pretty awesome. Okay, so if you're new to the channel and you've clicked in this video and you're wondering what our service is all about, simply hit the subscribe button now and you'll be able to stay up to date with our latest videos, weekly trade alerts, and just basically information that will help you evolve and excel as a Forex trader. Okay, so this week was our best month of the month, our best week of the month. So it was. Get my words muddled up there. We closed all our trades closed out on a Wednesday. Personally, me and the copy clients made around 470 pips. One of our clients actually made nearly 700 pips. These were the trades that we took. Okay, we're a 92% win ratio. We had one losing trade, which was 30 pips on the Aussie Japanese yen, and kind of brought our pip count to May 2020, 965 pips. So it was a fantastic trading month after the kind of iffy month in April due to the Easter period. Okay, we had total of 28 signals this month, 21 wins and 7 losses. Okay, so averaging around 7 open trades per week. Okay, 75% win ratio. Total pips gained with our service so far, a massive 11,500 pips. Now, I hope you can see, like, we track everything, and this is why we're able to guarantee a minimum of 900 pips every 90 days. Basically, because we know our numbers, everything's tracked, and we can easily reach that target. And the average monthly pips you can expect to gain with our service is around 1,100. You can track our live trading account by clicking the link above here. You can track the live trading account each week. This is a new account that started 2 months ago, already up 32%. If you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you'll be able to find the old trading account with all the results on it. Okay, basically we swapped accounts. Yeah, that's the reason why. Let's go over a couple of trades this week. Last week I gave you a free signal on the British Pound Aussie. Okay, we made about 60 pips on that, and yesterday it did pop up. If we go ahead over to the charts, let's see here. We look at the FaltX Pro dashboard. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, again, the reason last week's video I posted, we're looking to buy this around this area here. Nice support, market's grinding down. If we zoom out on the weekly time frame, you see we've had nice reactions at this area before. So I'm still expecting a reaction at this area to happen, which could likely happen this week. We are getting a lot of, or the first week of June, we're getting a lot of divergence signals. Okay, so that was depending on when you close that out, you can see yesterday that it actually rallied up and then came back down, closed back inside this kind of range here. But if you look at the market structure of this, the market's been making these huge legs down. You can see it dropping pretty hard. And what you can see down the bottom here, you can see this huge leg down here. But what you can actually see is the structure of the market's been changing. It's been slowing down, starting to move sideways at a higher time frame support area, institutional buying area, what I call them. On a higher time frame, the market's slowing down. We're getting a lot of divergence signal. The divergence signal is basically just telling us the market is slowing down. And if you want to access the MACD divergence indicator, you can simply access it free by clicking the link below in the description area of the video. Okay. If you're new to my channel, also I have a strong Irish accent, so sometimes I speak a little bit fast, and my words sound a bit different. My numbers also sound a bit different too. So my accent has improved a lot. When I still get excited, I still speak a little bit fast. Okay, we'll look at trade of the week, which was on the Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie is here, and Okay, this was a really nice trade, and I'm going to let you into a secret here of why I actually placed this trade. Okay, what I was expecting here, okay, it's a really secret if you can get into this kind of mindset when trading, is you see them, we've had this on the weekly, sorry, look at the weekly here. We've got this support area in the weekly, which was old resistance, okay, so this instantly is going to be a wall, and we also have this weekly area here, okay, that caused this huge move up here. And the market more or less comes down to that area last week. I think 64, what was our price? 164, 164.6 we were looking to enter this market, okay? Now the secret I was looking to enter this trade was I was kind of asking myself, okay, where will retail traders likely have their stop losses, okay? So if you look at this support here, the vast amount of retail traders will be taught to have their stops. They'll be buying inside this range and have their stops down here under these lows. Okay, so instantly that's where you want to be putting your buy order. Okay, if you can get into that mindset of where retail traders will have their stops, you want to be more profitable. Get into the mindset and where they be putting their stops, you put your buy orders. Okay, very simple process, but it's a nice wee secret to do. That's what I was expecting this week. Okay, anticipating a new low, simple new low, and enter at the 164.6. We actually got triggered in this trade by around 5 pips. Okay, so that was a nice trade. Other trades worked out very nicely. Aussie CAD was another nice trade this week. Okay, Aussie CAD. Okay. This was the signal, again, the divergence signal at our areas gets us in. We were looking to sell this at 92, and Monday we got our divergence signal and it dropped over 120 pips. We got 90 of those. It was a nice trade on the Aussie CAD. It moved back up towards that area on Friday, but again we had closed out on Wednesday. Okay, so there you have it. That's the recap of last week and the recap of May. Been a fantastic trading month. This quarter is going, second quarter of 2020 is going really well so far. Looking forward to a massive June. Okay, so if you haven't signed up for the service yet, simply click the link below. Remember, we guarantee you a minimum of 900 pips every 90 days, and we track everything. You can track everything we do via MyFXBook by clicking the link above, and by looking at the copy of this Excel file. Every trade we take, we track and post our results. Everything's totally upfront. Okay, so you know what to expect. So click the link below. Sign up now. Any questions, either comment below in the YouTube video or simply send me an email at will@xaus.com. I always reply. So thanks for watching, and I shall see you on the next video, and looking forward to helping you bag some pips in June. Will over at xaus.com.